Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính and the mission group came to visit and offered gifts to frontline forces, policy classified families, and children who died from COVID-19 epidemic, poor households and workers affected by COVID-19 epidemic, orientated victims in Cần Thơ City. Also attending were leaders of Cần Thơ City Party Committee, People's Council, People's Committee, and Vietnam Fatherland Fronts Committee. Informing with the mission group, Chairman of Cần Thơ City People's Committee Trần Việt Trường said that in 2021, in the context of the complicated development of the COVID-19 epidemic, Cần Thơ City still ensured the social security task, namely regulations and policies for revolution contributors, social welfare beneficiaries, the elderly, poor and near-poor households. Accordingly, the city gave regular allowances for more than 71,000 revolution contributors at a cost of more than 118 billion Vietnam dong, handed over 25 affectionate houses, carried out home-based care for 2,588 revolution contributors at a cost of over 2.8 billion Vietnam dong, gave regular subsidy for 504,141 others at a cost of more than 22.6 billion Vietnam dong, reduced the rate of poor households in the city down to 0.25%, and give support for people affected by COVID-19 epidemic. Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính highly valued and commended Cần Thơ City for overcoming difficulties, took good care of policy classified families, poor households. As of now, the Party Committee, authority and people of Cần Thơ City have jointly made efforts to put the epidemic under control. In the meantime, the Prime Minister shared losses incurred by families whose relatives have died from the COVID-19 epidemic. The government leader hoped that party committees at all levels, authorities and people of Cần Thơ City would continue promoting the solidarity to further develop Cần Thơ City, take care and improve people's lives. The Prime Minister suggested the contingent of workers, laborers, unceasingly study and train good skills for effective labor. He called businesses to take care of laborers' life as well as possible. Regarding that for people, the Prime Minister requested the forces of Army, Public Security and relevant units to both organize the safe Lunar New Year and contain the epidemic. Apart from 100 gifts presented in person at the gathering, there were also 200 gifts from Vietnam Labour Confederation, Vietnam Red Cross Society, and 100 from the Labour and Welfare and Social Affairs Ministry.